is how it looks right off the top.
Seal the ends of the cap with some more boxes and 2 applicators, and I didn't even
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today I'm going to be doing a hair wig install. It's going to be the sensational wig with the textured lace front. So basically like the edges are going to look very natural. It's in the color 1B and it's 18 inches long. So yeah. Alright, so this is how it looks right off of the pack. These have the kinky edge going on here. It's nice, cute. This is how the lace looks. It does have like, it's not completely clear. I'd say it has like a brown tint to it. You can't really see it on this video, which is fine because my skin color is brown. Alright, so this is the stocking cap I'm using. You want to make sure that you're using like a brown stocking or a stocking that matches your skin color, just so that it looks more natural basically. Hear me talking like I'm a pro. I'm no pro, but yeah. Oh nice, I got 2.
boxes and 2 applicators, and I didn't even need it, but that just really shows that less is more. But I can say that it does smell absolutely amazing. I'm not saying that you should be sniffing some hair dye, but it doesn't have that disgusting chemical smell that it usually does. I did leave this hair dye on my hair for 45 minutes, and
Alright, so all I'm gonna do now is to put some foundation on the wig. Just to also make it look more natural. Actually, I'm gonna use this liquid one, so it might be easier to do with this. Alright, so this is how it looks now that I've put the foundation on it. It looks a bit more like my skin. Okay. So this is what it looks without. By the way, guys, try not to get the glue in the hairs or it might end up looking like this. So, yeah, try to avoid the hairs when you're gluing your hair down. Okay, so here I'm just using a flat iron to try and flatten the top of my hair so that it looks a bit more natural and more like my hair. Because if it's more bulgy, then it might look a bit more like a wig and fake. So, yeah, that is how it looks after flat ironing. Okay, so this is how the hair looks. This is how I wore it to my graduation. I did not end up like putting makeup or foundation to conceal all of the lace, but to the front, all I did was to comb out the edges to try and make it look more natural, and that was about it. But yeah, regardless of that, like I tried to use the long hairs to cover up where the lace was showing, and that was about it. Otherwise, the wig looked pretty fine, really good, and I got tons of compliments for it. So yeah, I'm happy about that. But anyways, guys, thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one. Deuces.